Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox error code 403, and it says an error was encountered during authentication. Please try again. So the first thing you should do is simply restart your computer, which I think you've probably already tried. So let's move on to the next method. Head over to the search bar in the bottom left corner, and here you want to type network. Go ahead and click on the network status. From here, you need to click on Network and Sharing Center. It'll open up this window. Over here, you need to click on your internet connection right next to Connections. Now if you come down here at the bottom, you'll see this Properties option. Simply click on it. It'll open up this Wi-Fi Properties window. Over here, you need to look for Internet Protocol version 4. Click on it to make sure it's highlighted, and then go ahead and click on this Properties option right over here. So now what you're going to do is click on this option, which says use the following DNS server addresses, and then enter 8.8, 8.8 in the preferred DNS server section. And in the alternative DNS server, enter 8.84.4. And then go ahead and click OK. After this, close down all these windows. Now the next thing you're going to do is actually uninstall and reinstall the Roblox player. So what you'll now need to do is head over to the search bar in the bottom left corner, and here you want to type Add or Remove Programs. From here, you need to click on this first option, and it'll open up this window. Over here, click on this search box and type in Roblox. Here you're going to see that Roblox player comes up here, so what you want to do is give that a click, and you're going to see the option to uninstall Roblox. So all you need to do is click uninstall right here, and then run through the setup wizards, and you're done. Once that's done, you can now go back onto Google Chrome and open up roblox.com. And then from here, all you need to do is simply open up any game you want, and then what you simply need to do is hit the green play button. A pop-up will come up to download and reinstall Roblox. From here, just download and install Roblox, and hopefully, it'll then fix the issue. Please subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. That's it.